Well, this turned out all right. This is made from a reclaimed futon frame and some walnut I bought recently at a local hardware store. Big thanks to my in-laws for the gift certificate that allowed me to buy this walnut and some other wood as well. While I like how this turned out overall, once I got these together and you can see where the seam is, I never intended that these were going to line up, but now that they're together and not lined up, it looks odd. It sort of breaks the illusion, I think. These ones are pretty close. Obviously, this is inspired by Kyle Toast Double Taurus, although I certainly simplified it. I tried an oil-based finish that I didn't actually like on this wood. It looked good on the walnut, but not on this futon wood. I have no idea what kind of wood it is. Light colored with tight grain. I don't think it's maple though. As I keep saying, I'm not good at identifying wood, unless it's a species I've dealt with a lot already. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this build, and I hope it inspires you to try something new and fun. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you loop back to Cammy's garage.